Ohayo gozaimasu. Today is SASHI'S birthday. SASHI'S is sleeping. Happy birthday, Dai. Dai, how old are you? She's turning 7. Happy birthday, Dai. Ouch. Wake up na, Dai. She doesn't want to wake up. Baba's still sleeping too. There. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. Doesn't want to wake up. This is our breakfast. Wow, Bishop. Egg and bread from Metro. I can speak today. Metro.
Kanina? Ilang ka?
Coffee. I don't know.
Not coffee.
Coffee. This ketchup is different from. This is not the original one. This is the sweet blend, and this one tastes better compared to the original because it's a little sweet. Diba, Mother?
Yes.
Ikaw
Yes.
ang is today is not your birthday. It's SASHI'S birthday. Why are you wearing red?
Who cares?
What? We're now here at Santo Niño because SASHI'S going to light some candles because today is her birthday. Yeah. So we are going to light 20 candles. It's hot. It is almost noon actually. And whoa, what's wrong with my asan is soup? Oh. We have 20 already.
Kanina yan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mga. 20.
Twins.
10.
Okay, are you done? We are here at Daisoholic capital, but not SRP. Kulon. Wait, look at your hair. We're buying fried chicken. Our favorite fried chicken from Yes, it's a little expensive, but it is delicious, super delicious. Guys, there's a lot of people. Diba, no? Anywhere you go, there's a lot of people. Really. Lunchtime.
Dali, SASHI'S lunchtime. Duha, urot ng duha, day?
SASHI'S lunch is
All donut.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Ito Dunkin' Donut. McDonald's.
SASHI'S
Wow.
lunch, McDonald's.
That's the third donut, Dai. Wow, dakuan yung kaundo. Mine is siopaw and Rookie is siopaw. Yeah, this one is asado. It's tasty. It's from Goldilocks. This is our lunch because we are still on the road. But we are on our way home. Yeah. Because I'm gonna blow my candle! Yay! I know. Ikaw? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel so not good today. I think I'm gonna be having a cold because of last Sunday's event, which was really hot, and I was really so hot, and right now I'm not feeling cold. I'm not feeling cold. I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm crazy. Yeah, my head aches so bad. And yeah, unto ni atamawari ima atama. Ditay atama waroy ka na.
Mau kasi ka.
Atama waroy wa is bugo dayo. I'm atama okashi. Atama okashi is crazy. I'm really crazy. I'm just gonna eat my lunch from Goldilocks Siopaw. Wow, bonggang cupcake. Cupcake kayo dyan. Cupcake. Cake cup. Bye. Cake cup. And shaking. We're making butter frosting for SASHI'S cake. You see that? So we are doing chocolate butter frosting. Yan na tilapon na. Ayaw, okay. Icing mo na. I'm so sweaty. Yeah. This is the last step that needs to be done, and we're done. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate. Blow the candle, T. Wow. How old are you? She is a birthday girl. Gusto siya maging birthday boy. Let's eat, Ate. Now it's time to eat the cake. Hello, Ate. Huh? Cake time. Ma-expose na mo sa YouTube.
Exposure.
Mother baked the cake. I made the icing.
And we eat the cake.
Kalami. Grabe lami kay ang kuan, ang icing sa soup. It's so good.
Kanina ni mama, ano siya, lamig daw kayong icing raw. Kasi abagay mo.
So, I think it's time for me to retire now because it was a long day for me actually. And I wasn't feeling so well today. Today was the worst compared yesterday, and yeah, I think I am having a flu or something, I don't know, but I already took some medicine because I don't want this to get worse. And right now my throat hurts so bad, and my head hurts so bad, and I just don't like the feeling of my eyes, that burning feeling in my eyes right now. So yeah, and I feel so sweaty and it's hard for me to breathe. Yeah, but like I've said, I already took some medicine, and maybe I just need some sleep because lately I haven't slept um, so well. Like I only have 5 hours of sleep, and it's not me, guys. I need to sleep like 7 to 8 hours or more. So yeah, I just felt tired. Or maybe last Sunday was really hot and we're outside, so maybe that's why I'm feeling like this right now. And yeah, I hope tomorrow I will feel better. Yeah, I just hope that I will feel better tomorrow. So I need to say goodnight now, guys, and I hope you had a wonderful and blessed day today. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So I'll see you on my next video, guys, and take care, and I love you always. Peace.